Yes, welcome to my stream. Here I'm taking you to the journey of how I'm building my startup, Flipper, and I'm building this product to create and join wholesalers and retailers. Basically, I'm building a supply chain solution for businesses, basically small businesses and medium and large business. So the feature I'm working on now, so almost complete, is a subscription feature where the customer of my software as services will be able to pay me by subscribing to a certain package that has different. I will be having different packages basically. So I wanted to walk you through how I built this feature and show you how amazing it is. Yes. So I created an endpoint in Java. So I'm using Java as a backend programming language. So what I have to do is to create a subscribe endpoint. And so for me, I'm having a product and business, and I have some rules that how this subscription is working basically. And then on top of that, then I connect API, the payment APIs that are going to help me to charge my users based on the usage of my software. So let's say someone sign up on my software and choose a package. So because my software is not free, they'll be choosing a package that is affordable to how they work basically. So so I've built this feature in Java. So all my backend is in Java. So there's a reason behind why I chose Java. I chose Java because first is the programming language I know better than maybe compared to other programming languages that I use. But I also chose Java because it's the best for the job. Because uh, I've tried building the backend in the past using Node.js, maybe Express, Express.js, if I remember. So there's a time where I understood that not not always Node.js is the best for the job, especially when it comes to reliability and also when it comes to uh, ensuring that the feature will always work. So using Node.js, I always find myself maybe somehow something changed in a package, and I deployed my app to the server, and sometimes something breaks, and I don't know how I can fix it because it is down in the package. So I know maybe there is a workaround for to that problem, but also another issue with JavaScript I encountered is that this need of keeping updating the package to keep it update, which also can break the package. But also another use case I was looking for is for the enterprise level for the customers, because I know this startup I'm building will cover mostly businesses to be B2B. So I'll be interacting with businesses as long as the customer, and the use cases for businesses varies depending on different metrics. So I wanted to have a programming languages that can cover all those use cases without a need to maybe have microservices, which something as a startup I cannot afford. So I wanted to have one programming language that I can use that can cover all of that, and without me having a need to juggle around multiple programming language, and also find myself in a situation where I have like a service A written in Java, service B written in Node.js, service C written in maybe Rust or something like that. So I wanted to have one programming language that is mature enough that can give me what I want. So I'm really excited to finish this feature within 2 days. As a challenge, I want to build the feature fast and ship to the market as fast as I can. So that way I will be able to get the feedback from the customers and validate if something is working, or if it's not working, then move on to something else. Because I realized that I need to move fast when I'm building this startup. So that's why right now I'm building it alone. So I don't have anyone to slow me down, waiting for someone to complete something. So that's something really important I learned during this journey, that when you're building as a software engineer and you tend to find someone else to complement you, maybe you work on front end and you find someone else to work on the back end, and what end up happening is that you finish your work and you wait for somebody to also finish his work, which can sometimes slows you down or kill your product. So that's why, moving forward, I work alone. I don't work with anybody else, because it slows me down to work with people that doesn't have the same interest with me. So because I will need to move fast, I need to build the product that goes to the market and start getting the customers, getting the feedback, getting the money as well, because if you don't get the money at the right time, your product or startup fails before it goes to the market. So that was the important things I learned, and this is why I'm creating this channel, so I can share the journey with you of what I'm building and how I'm building it, so that you can also give feedback. Maybe you can be part of these user feedback groups that can help me to build this startup from scratch. So, I don't know my users if you really understand the code base, but I'll be also sharing how I code this startup and how uh, I approach the customer, how I talk to the customer, how I bring the product to the market, and how I build the feature. But more importantly, I will start from a feature development, going to the customer, talking to the customer, getting the first customer. That will be something also exciting that I will want to share with you guys, so that we can all run together how to create a company, how to move from point A to point B, and create a successful company, hopefully, at the end of the day. So uh, I hope you liked these video sessions, and if you like my video, please subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. And so join the community, my community. So because at the end of the day, I would like to have the community of you who have the same dream of creating your own startup, creating your own product that you can sell to the customers. And I hope at least in this video you learned something, maybe, or you found some insight that you didn't find maybe somewhere else. uh, I hope that maybe something, you can learn something, maybe. I don't know. Have a nice day. Bye.